In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to add to text color on text on CapCut PC. Let's start. Bring the video clip into timeline. From the left side, choose Text, Add Text. Add text default. Click on the default text and add it into timeline. Go on the right side. Go to Basic. In the default text box, write your first text. Change the text case. Choose the font. Increase font size. Style bold. I will choose this color. And then copy the text. Add second text. Change the color. Something like this pink color, then you can copy it. Move the text and put the text at the end of the second text. Then write here third text. Change the color. Copy the third text to create the fourth text and follow the same steps like third text. Change the color. Let's play how the outcome looks now. So I will add some animation here. Select the text and go to top left, choose animation. In and scroll down, choose karaoke. Make the division 1 point per second. Repeat the same steps for other 3 texture. Final outcome. Then go to export. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.